We got another box from Universal Yums and see which part of the world we're tasting today. We're tasting Taiwan. Boba. First thing we're gonna try, Loco Crispy Pea Snack. Lemon Pink Salt. Twist. Lemon. Very crunchy. Fritos Twist. 7 out of 10.
Tastes like lemonade chip. Sweet and tangy. 10 out of 10.
Same version of the other chip. This one is extreme spicy. Same thing. Barbecue flavor. Spicy level is not overpowering. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for me.
Popcorn bubble tea flavor. Exactly the same as brown sugar boba flavor. 10 out of 10. Addicting.
Ma, can you give your rating?
10 out of 10.
Butter garlic crunchy corn snack. It's layer. This is mine. Butter garlic is really there. Light, airy, crispy. 10 out of 10.
It's like garlic bread. 10 out of 10.
With soy cracker cheese mix. Like cheapy. Snacks that we have in the Philippines. Soy crackers. Cheese is not overpowering. It's really good. 9 out of 10.
It reminds me of the Gardettos mixed chip. 10 out of 10.
It's time for a drink. Apple Sidra. Yes. Carbonated apple juice. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Potato chips steak. Ew. If you ever have A1 steak sauce or Worcestershire, that's the flavor in it. 10 out of 10.
Can you give me rice? 10.
Potato stick, cream corn style. Made in Taiwan. It smells corn. So nostalgic. The sweet corn in Asian market. French fries. Asian style sweet corn. 10 out of 10.
It's a 10.
Yogurt biscuit. Look like animal cookie. Butter cookies with yogurt flavor. 10 out of 10.
Battery, vanilla, cute. 10.
Peanut brittle. Classic Asian peanut brittle. 10 out of 10.
10.
Taiwan chocobo. Smells like dark chocolate. Mochi. Peanut butter. What the feeling? 10 out of 10.
Chewy, creamy, balls like your father. 12.
Taro cookies. Perfect. Tastes like Nila wafers. Tastes like taro. In the middle, it's soft. 10 out of 10.
10.
Mochi kiwi fruit. Individually lap. Oh, very spongy. Straightforward kiwi. Mochi, very soft. 10 out of 10.
Perfect balance of sweet kiwi. 10.
Taiwan, you are our favorite box so far. 10 out of 10.